So you're going to teach me a simple sound. You're going to teach me the
outward K-Snare.
outward K-Snare.
So the outward K-Snare is very...
No! Was that very loud? No. Okay, sorry. Sorry,
Why?
please.
Okay. So the outward K-Snare is very
No!
similar to the... Why? Am I doing some mistake?
No, please.
Okay. So the outward K-Snare goes something like this. Like... Okay. Yeah. So it's very similar to an inward K-Snare, and where in an inward K-Snare, you roll your tongue and you do... Yeah. Here, you roll the tongue the same way, and instead of sucking air inside, you push it out.
Okay.
It gives a jarring effect to it.
Okay.
So basically, you roll your tongue and make sure you're pushing air
So your tongue basically rolls upwards
Yeah.
and touches the top of your
like
mouth.
this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
You do that. You make sure you push a lot of air, but controlled air only between the tongue.
Okay.
In between the center of the tongue, like.
We're gonna simplify this a little bit. So your tongue, this is the top of your mouth. Okay. Your tongue is like this.
Yes.
Your tongue drops down,
Hmm.
and there's a little bit of air in your mouth. It goes out.
Yeah. No, not really.
Yeah. And no, not.
No. The tongue is here. When
Okay.
I'm doing, it just moves in the front. Like. If,
Okay. So it doesn't drop.
No, it doesn't drop. It just changes the position from here. When I roll my tongue, it's here.
Okay.
So when I hit the snare, it goes like
Okay.
a
got it.
break.
Got it. Can you use it in a beat?
Yeah.
Keep going. I'll go. No, carry on.
It's okay. Please come back.
Shoot's done. Cut.